How do you feel comfortable calling another woman in front of your wife?
It all depends on what the context of the call is. It doesn't have the context.
Ufuna kanjani umuntu uhleli nomuntu wakho?
That's how you should have started.
Angeke.
It should have happened from
Wait.
I'm just saying.
You're so defensive, and defensive people are guilty.
I'm just saying of what? I really don't like defending myself, and I don't like explaining myself. You want context, right?
Please.
Sure. So this person I was talking to this morning is an old friend, right? And she knows I'm in a relationship.
But if she knows you're married, why would she say, but what if we would, what if we date?
Also, you have a cough. You have a cough.
She's trying her luck, but you phoned her.
He said that's an old friend.
She called me.
No, you phoned her.
No, she called me. I told her I'm married. Don't call me. Maybe we take flirting as different as people.
Why are you guys having the
put my earphones
conversation?
on at that point.
Why are you
I was
guys having
fed
a
up
conversation in
listening
front of
to
your
you.
wife?
Why not? Am I supposed to hide people that call me?
He's married now. He needs to know. He needs to draw a line between female friends.
My boy, I don't wanna lie. It's wrong. You are married, my guy.
You are married. How would you feel? Be honest right now.
Obviously jealous.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Uprince no SA2. Guys, Uprince is full of himself. Like, he's full of himself. And ubukeka engathi uyiplayer nje ucela ukudlala. Because iy'tori zakhe azizwisakali, kuthiwa bekashadile, kuthiwa kuningi okaPrince nje, kuningi. But then this time, he drew the line, efonela another girl, phambi ko-SA2, ekhuluma naye, eflirta naye, and he saw that as a good thing. Waphinde wabuya kum-diary station wathi yena doesn't like being questioned, and makafuna ukuyenza into uzoyenza vele. I feel like he's still a child. Ukhomba unomzimba omkhulu kodwa he acts like a child. Like, honestly, he acts like a child. And I'm glad his friends tried ukukhuluma naye bembuyisa ukuthi ndoda yabona manje lento ukuthi uzolobhiza uzitshela ukuthi uyisoka wena, every girl wants you. It's done. Sokuphelile nje lokho. So kuwukuthi ushadile, you must be loyal to your girlfriend. You must be, not girlfriend, your wife. You must be fully loyal. And I feel like Uprince was doing a revenge because ungene efonini ka-SA2 and then wathola ama-chat wakudala ex ka-SA2, and he was like, but we talked ukuthi kumele ukhathe off everyone from the past, and SA2 wamtshela ukuthi bengimtshela ukuthi don't ever contact me ever again, I'm getting married. Like, bengimtshela wathi there's no need ukuthi umtshele and stuff, and now yonke into azoyenza manje uPrince, it's just revenge. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.